Hey there, and welcome to Finance Fixer Upper, the channel that helps you renovate your financial life. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of personal finance: budgeting. Creating a budget may seem daunting at first, but with a little effort and discipline, anyone can do it. The key is to find a budgeting method that works for you and your lifestyle. So, let's get started. Step 1. Assess your income and expenses. The first step in creating a budget is to assess your income and expenses. This means calculating your total income, including your salary, bonuses, and any other sources of income, and then subtracting your expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and any other bills or expenses you have. Step 2. Set financial goals. The second step in creating a budget is to set financial goals. This means identifying what you want to achieve with your money, such as paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or investing in a retirement account. Once you have your goals in mind, you can allocate your money accordingly. Step 3. Create a budget. The third step in creating a budget is to actually create it. This means listing all of your income and expenses in a spreadsheet or on a piece of paper, and allocating your money to various categories based on your financial goals. Be sure to include a category for savings or emergency funds, as well as discretionary spending for things like entertainment and dining out. Step 4. Track your spending. The fourth and final step in creating a budget is to track your spending. This means keeping track of all your expenses and income, and adjusting your budget as needed to stay on track. There are many apps and tools available to help you with this, so find one that works for you and use it regularly. By following these steps, you can create a budget and stick to it, even if it feels overwhelming at first. Remember, the key to success is discipline and consistency. Stick with it, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in to Finance Fixer Upper, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on personal finance.